In this video, I'll show you how to watch Peacock on Xfinity. Step 1 is to check Xfinity eligibility. Ensure you are an Xfinity subscriber with a compatible Xfinity TV or internet plan. Peacock Premium is included for free with some Xfinity plans. Check your account details to confirm your eligibility. Step 2. Access the Peacock app. Use your Xfinity voice remote and say Peacock or manually navigate to the app section. Select the Peacock app from the list and then launch it. Step 3. Log in and start watching. Sign in with your Peacock account credentials or activate using your Xfinity account. Browse through the library and start streaming your favorite shows or live TV. And that's how you watch Peacock on Xfinity. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions, you can leave them in the comments down below.